Hello class 8A. So we were doing exercise 12b. Now let us see question number 3. Here it says from the sum of this and this subtract this. Okay, so that means we have to add these two first and then from there we have to subtract this. So we are going to write like this. So since we have to add this two and from there we have to subtract, so we'll write x plus 3y plus minus 3x minus y. Since we are supposed to add these two, yes or no? So I'm writing plus, okay? And then from this total value, whatever you get, we have to minus what? We have to subtract this. So we'll write like this. Done? Now firstly we'll solve within this bracket, okay? So what we'll do, we'll open this bracket. Here before bracket what we have? Plus. So simply we get x plus 3y. Here plus sign is here, minus, so we get minus 3x. Here plus, here minus, we get minus y. Now what happens? Here we have to put like terms together. So we get x minus 3x plus 3y minus y. Okay. Done. Then here plus x plus 1x, okay, and here minus 3x. Sign opposite, yes, so we need to subtract. So 3 minus 1 will get 2, but sign we have to keep for the bigger one. So we get minus 2x, we get minus 2x, and here plus 3 and here minus 1. Okay, so sign opposite, so we need to subtract 3 minus 1, we get how much? 2. Okay, so 2y. Now we will open this bracket. So before this what we have plus, so we can simply write like this, and in this case minus and here plus, so we get minus x, here minus, so we get plus y. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll put the like terms together. So minus 2x minus x plus 2y plus y. So here minus and here minus 1x, so minus 2 and minus 1 becomes minus 3x. Here plus 2y and here plus 1y. So 2 plus 1 we get 3. Okay. So this is your answer. Okay. Now let us see the second one. So this is the second one. Subtract this from the sum of this and this. Okay, so I'll just write over here and you're supposed to complete by yourself. Okay, so take this as homework. So subtract this from sum of these two. Okay, so sum of these two, so firstly we should write this. Okay, and from this sum whatever you get we need to subtract this. So we'll write like this, 2a square plus 3b square minus c square, okay, plus 4a square minus 3b square plus 5c square. Okay, so we have to add these two, yes or no? And from there what we are going to subtract? One second. We have to subtract this. Okay, so we'll write a square minus b square minus c square. So you need to complete this. Okay, so this is your homework. Now we will do question number 5. Here it says subtract the sum of this from the sum of this. Okay, so this from, okay, from what? Sum of this. So this sum, okay, sum of this and this should be written first. Okay, then minus sum of these two. So question 5, we write 9 plus 6x minus 2x square plus 4x minus 1 this. So according to question, we are supposed to take sum of this and this first, and from there we have to subtract what? Sum of these two. Okay, so we'll write so let us simplify this bracket first. So we can open this bracket, so we get 9 plus 6x minus 2x square. Here plus sign is there, so plus into plus we get plus, then plus into minus we get minus 1, plus into minus we get minus 5x cube, then plus into plus we get plus x square. Done. Then minus, then here 4x cube plus 2x square minus 5, plus into plus we get plus, plus into minus we get minus, plus into minus minus. Okay, now within this bracket put the like terms together. So here x square and here x square, you can write minus 2x square plus x square. Done. This x and this x you can put like this. Here plus 9 minus 1, so 9 minus 1 you will get plus 8. Leave this as it is. Now you get 4x cube. Here x cube is there, so minus x cube. Here x square, here also x square, so you get plus 2x square minus x square, and here plus 15x minus 5. Okay, so now here x square, here nothing means 1, minus 2 and plus 1 becomes minus 1x square. Okay, and here plus 6 4x, okay, that also plus, so we get plus 10x, and here plus 8 minus 5x cube, minus here 4x cube, here minus 1x cube, so here plus and here minus, so we get 3x cube. Okay, 4 minus 1, then plus 2x square minus 1x square, so 2 minus 1 you get 1, so this 15x minus 5. Now you need to open the bracket, so you get minus 1x square plus 10x plus 8 minus 5x cube minus 3x cube, because here minus, here plus. Okay, minus into plus, here again minus, minus, and here plus, so we get this, and minus into minus plus. Now what we'll do, we'll put like terms together. Okay, so here x square, here x square, so minus 1x square minus 1x square, here minus 5x cube minus 3x cube, so here x and here x, so we get plus 10x minus 15x, then here 8 and here so plus 8 plus 5, so minus 1 and minus 1 same sign, add, so you get minus 2x square minus 5 and minus 3 becomes minus 8x cube, here plus 10x and minus 15x you get minus 5x, and 8 plus 5 you get 13. Okay, so you can write this expression with decreasing order power of x. Okay, so we can write minus 8x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 13. Okay, so this is the answer. So 12C question number 1, it says multiply. Question number 1, 12xy will be multiplied with minus 8x square. So we will write 12xy into, okay, Now instead of writing into, what will happen? No, if we write into, then it will look like x. Okay, so we write in bracket 12xy, and again in bracket whatever we have to multiply we'll write in bracket. Okay, so written. Now what you will do, here you have a constant term. Okay, not constant term, the constant coefficient 12, and here constant coefficient is -8. So you'll write 12 into -8. Okay, and then what you'll do, here you see x to the power 1, and here you see x to the power 2. Okay, so x to the power 1 and multiplication sign is there. Yes, so x to the power 1 will be multiplied to x square. So can you see base same over here? Yes, here also x, here also x. So in that case power should be added. So 1 plus 2 it becomes 3. So you'll write x to the power 3, and then you simply copy y. Okay, now you multiply this. Okay, 12 into 8, and here you have plus sign. Yes, and here you have plus, and here you have minus, so it becomes minus, and 12 into 8. Okay, so 12 into 8 you will get 96 x cube. So this is the product. Okay, now question number 2. This is question number 2. I'll just put over here. Okay, so we will write -16 a square b square, and then in bracket we'll write this. Done. Now what we'll do, we'll write these constant coefficients together. So I'll get -16 into -5 together. Okay, then here you see a square, and here a to the power 1. Okay, so bases same, power will be added. So 2 plus 1 it becomes 3. So you get a to the power 3 into here b to the power 2, and here b to the power 2. Okay, base same, so power will be added. So you get b to the power 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, and now minus into minus will be plus. Okay, and then you will multiply 16 into 5. So 16 into 5 will be 80. Okay, so you write 80 a cube b to the power 4. Okay, and this is your third question. -3 upon 5 into a square b square. This has to be multiplied with this. Okay, so we'll write them. Done. Now what we'll do, we'll write the numerical coefficients together. So I get -3 upon 5 into 10 upon 27. Then these literal variables, literal coefficients. Okay, so a square. Now here you can see a square, and here you see a to the power 1. So bases same, power will be added. So you get a cube. Here b to the power 2, here b to the power 4. Bases same, power will be added. You get b to the power 6, because 2 plus 4, 6. And now here 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Okay, and this will be 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27. Minus sign will be along with this. Okay, so you get -1 into 2, you get simply -2, and here 1 into 9 you get 9, a to the power 3, b to the power 6. Okay, so this is your answer. Question 4, homework, try. Okay, question 5 homework, try. Okay, so question 1 is over. Now we will see question number 2. Okay, so here question number 2 is multiply. So here we have to multiply this by this. Okay, so let us solve. So first one is this, that 6x minus 5 will be multiplied with minus 3x. So I'll write 6x minus 5 and then this within bracket. Now what will happen? Here you can see that two terms are there. Yes, in the first bracket you see two terms are there. Okay, and in this bracket we have got single term. Okay, so what we'll do, this single term will multiply inside this bracket with each term. Okay, so this minus 3x will multiply to 6x, so we'll write 6x, okay, into minus 3x. Done. Then here you have, what sign is there? You have minus sign over here. Yes, and here you have minus. Okay, so now this minus 5 will multiply to this. Okay, so we'll write minus 5 into minus 3x. Done. Now what will happen? Here you see plus, here it is minus. So plus into minus, you get minus. Now this 6 and this 3 will multiply, you get 6 3s are 18. Then this x to the power 1 and this x to the power 1 will multiply. So since bases are same, power will be added. So you get x square. Now here you see minus sign, here also minus sign. So minus into minus, it becomes plus. Then 5 into 3 will be 15. Okay, and we have got only this. In if you see the variable part, you have got only x. So simply you will write over here x. Done. So multiplication is done. Now see question number 2. Here you have 12x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay, and this has to be multiplied with 8x cube. So we will write 12x square minus 4x plus 5, and we have to write this 8x cube. Now what will happen? In the first bracket, if you see, there are three terms. Okay, and here we have got only one term. So this single term, okay, 8x cube, will multiply inside this bracket with each term. Okay, so we will get 12x square. Okay, so 12x square will multiply with this 8x cube. Then here minus sign, so copy minus sign, then 4x and then into this. Okay, into 8x cube, then plus sign right over here, then 5, then write this, multiply this. Okay, done. Now 12 into 8, you will get 96, and here x square and here x cube, same base, power will be added. So you get x to the power 5, then minus 4 into 8, it becomes 32, x to the power 1, okay, and x to the power 3. So powers will be added. So you get x to the power 4. Done. Then 5 into 8, 40, and then x to the power 3. Okay, so multiplication is done. Question number 3. Okay, so here 3a cube x cube minus 4a y square plus 7 square y minus 4x square y a square. Done. Now what we'll do is, this is a single term. Okay, if you see, this is a single term and this will multiply inside the bracket with each term. Okay, so we'll write 3a cube x cube. Now this has to be multiplied, but it is in minus, so better I write in bracket. Okay, then minus sign. Okay, 4a y square, then 4x square y a square, then plus 7a square y, and then minus 4x square y a square. Done. Now here you see plus sign, here minus sign, so plus into minus it becomes minus 3, and here 4, 3 4s are 12. Then you see a cube and here a square, same base, power should be added. So 3 over here and 2 over here. Okay, so 3 plus 2 5. Then x, here also x, bases same, power will be added. So 3 plus 2 5, and y simply. Okay, then here minus, minus into minus, plus, then this is 4, 4 4s are 16. Now you see a to the power 1, a to the power 2. Okay, so power will be added, 1 plus 2 it becomes 3, and then y square over here, y to the power 1, bases same, power will be added, so you get y to the power 3, and here simply x square. Then see plus over here we have minus, so plus into minus, minus 7 into 4 28. Then here a square, here a square, power will be added, so you get a to the power 4. Here y to the power 1, here y to the power 1. Okay, so power will be added, so you get y to the power 2, and then x square. Done. So this multiplication is done. Okay, so we had only 3 questions from this question number 2. Okay, and I have solved all for you. In the next video we will see question number 3. Okay.